Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, landslides, flooded homes and businesses. Eastern parishes have been severely impacted by torrential rain.
This evening, however, we zoom in on Portland, where residents are dreading further damage as several roads are now impassable and gullies overflowed their banks.
Giovanni Dennis reports.
One of many overflown banks across Portland today. This is Bound Brook Crescent in the parish. Elsewhere, Kevin took time from work to warn motorists.
I work for this still, but place flood out and now it's a patrol right there, so me are going to, you know, let them know say patrol this and they can't go to this one.
Firefighters had to help this motorist remove his car from floodwaters. We observed landslides affecting several properties and a section of the roadway along Fair Prospect Main Road affected. Brian Rose had to make a hasty exit from his house due to landslide.
When the rain did fall and the dirt come, it sound like somebody directly at tear down. All me I hear, boom, boom, it a shake up. So I say, well, I now stay here and make the dirt come should be done with me. I come out, phone, money, just myself me take out.
Residents in other communities were also affected.
The water coming like, I don't know if it's any, you know, pure water come all up in my doorway all over the place. All this part, I never wet in the house wet. And so if my daughter, I feel bail out water out of room this morning, the water flowing over through the window.
The spring come down, but it didn't come down like this. At first, I see this spring come down, so. And it just flood out, rain flood out. It just passed through heavy. If one little picnic there here, that wash him with the same way. Serious rain going this man and serious flood.
Classes at Port Antonio Primary were also suspended.
When we came this morning, it was raining continuously. A few students came out and teachers, but majority of the students were not able to leave home. Teachers were sending in message they are ready, but they are trapped. They can't move. Some persons were trapped in roadblocks.
This bar operator will have to purchase a new refrigerator.
But after 6 my young man come call me and say must come down here no because water in the bar. We come water was in the fridge. So we have to get somebody to help you to put the sound box then. That's all we could do.
Residents blame developments in the parish and poorly maintained drains.
Anytime the drain block up, the water come right over and come in like this. So that's the drain to keep maintained.
Communication manager for the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says while teams are responding, the agency is urging caution.
We would have had reports of landslides, fallen trees and debris on the Folly to Fair Prospect Main Road. We have mobilized our teams and they are fanning out in areas where such incidents have been reported. We are still monitoring the situation in the parish where it continues to rain, so persons should exercise extreme caution. Do not attempt to use flooded corridors at this time.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.